upbeat and inspiring music starts. Is your building showing signs of distress? Cracks in the walls? Leaky roofs? Rusting steel? Don't let these problems escalate into costly repairs or even structural failure. Traditional building materials are susceptible to damage over time. Rust, water leakage, and structural weakening can compromise the safety and longevity of your building. But don't worry. Entity Waterproofing offers cutting-edge solutions to protect your building from these common threats. Our innovative methodologies ensure long-lasting protection and peace of mind. Our unique rust converter, Entity No Rust polymer, transforms rusted TMT bars into rust-proof steel, extending their lifespan and preventing further corrosion. We employ the latest scientific methodologies to protect your roof from water leakage, ensuring a dry and damage-free interior. Our non-destructive testing, NDT methods, accurately assess the health of your building's columns and beams, identifying potential weaknesses without causing any damage. We utilize pressure grouting and carbon fiber wrapping to reinforce and strengthen weakened columns and beams, restoring structural integrity and preventing further deterioration. With our team of experienced professionals and commitment to top quality, we provide the most reasonable prices for our comprehensive building protection services. Protect your building today. Contact us via WhatsApp for a free consultation and let us help you safeguard your investment. Positive and encouraging jingle plays. WhatsApp knows 983-116-6285, 967-496-7012, Entity Waterproofing PVT Ltd.